Alright guys, so here we are with this funny looking tool, and it looks like it hopefully should be the right size to get these off. And as you can see here, these look like they're the right ones, so that's a plus. So we'll have to unbox these and see if they actually fit together the way they should, or if this was a monstrous waste of time. But I do really like the engineers and engineering that goes down with XK and Wltoys, so I'm gonna hope that this is the one time when things actually work. So let's see how easy it is to put these in place, and hopefully they won't snap. It looks like they're the same on both sides. So let's just put it down and give it a little bit of a push. It's a little bit hard, so I'll see you in the next one.
Likey